In a hidden corner of the natural world, softness begins its journey.
These rare white cows feed on pure, untouched vegetation.
Their environment remains completely untouched by industry.
Clean water sustains their natural balance.
A perfect ecosystem supports their growth.
Their skin reveals extraordinary softness.
Scientists begin noticing something unusual.
Curiosity leads to discovery.
Every element is carefully studied.
From nature's purity to modern innovation, transformation begins.
Researchers analyze natural softness at a molecular level. Moisture retention becomes the key focus.
A smooth formulation begins to emerge.
Gentle formulas outperform traditional methods.
We are uncovering how natural softness inspires modern luxury care.
Precision data drives innovation forward.
Each component is refined for balance.
Texture defines the experience of luxury. A breakthrough formula is finalized. Now production begins at scale. Carefully sourced oils form the foundation. Natural ingredients are selected with precision. Purity remains essential at every step.
Moisturizing agents are refined.
Ingredients move toward transformation.
A high-tech facility takes over.
Automation ensures efficiency.
Human oversight remains precise.
Everything flows in perfect synchronization. The process begins.
This is where raw ingredients become luxury soap.
Controlled heat activates chemical reactions. Consistency is carefully maintained.
The base begins to take shape.
Industrial precision meets chemistry. Every variable is monitored in real time. Smoothness starts to emerge. Texture defines quality. Automation guarantees perfection. The mixture moves to the next stage. Oils transform into a soap base.
A complete chemical transformation occurs.
Structure begins to stabilize.
Temperature shapes consistency. This stage creates the core of every bar.
Uniform blending ensures smooth results.
Quality checks happen continuously.
Refinement continues step by step.
The soap base advances forward.
Now enhancement begins.
Hydration is carefully added.
A signature scent defines identity. Visual purity is achieved. Softness is intensified.
The texture becomes rich and smooth.
Every layer blends perfectly.
Fragrance is balanced precisely.
The formula reaches perfection.
Now shaping begins.
This is where liquid becomes a recognizable form.
Soap takes its first solid shape. Precision defines every piece. Temperature solidifies the structure. Strength and durability develop. The bars are revealed.
Each bar is shaped perfectly.
Purity becomes visible. Consistency remains flawless.
Identity is about to be stamped.
Each bar receives its signature mark.
Only perfection continues forward.
This is the moment craftsmanship meets identity.
Imperfections are filtered out. Only the finest remain.
Moisture is balanced carefully.
Luxury is now visible.
Final preparation starts. Each bar is protected.
Packaging takes shape automatically.
Every unit is secured.
Identity reaches the consumer.
Final checks ensure perfection.
Bulk packaging begins.
Products are organized for shipment.
Distribution is ready. From factory to the world, the journey continues.
Logistics move products globally. Delivery spans vast distances.
Products reach everyday consumers.
The experience begins here.
Softness activates instantly.
Results are visible immediately.
Comfort builds trust. Elegance defines the environment.
An icon of care emerges.
From liquid to luxury, the journey completes.
From nature's inspiration to scientific precision, this is the full transformation.
Every detail reflects purity.
The texture tells its own story.
Luxury is felt in every use.
Design meets performance. Engineering powers beauty.
The process remains unseen, yet essential.
Crafted for everyday care. A simple bar with complex precision. The journey ends, but the experience continues.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.